Welcome to the last milestone video for Orbital project. We are from group 1417. This is Guanfei speaking and Ben will appear later in the video. As a short recap for our previous video, we have implemented our Legit Not and pair up web application. Legit Not is basically a web application that checks if a charity organization is legitimate and provides users with a short description of what they do. Pair Up is a web application that allows charity organizations to post voluntary job openings and allow users to register for it through a form. As a continuation to our previous video, I will now elaborate on our track cloud application, which leverages on the Google Map API to create our own map environment that records all charity activities. Track cloud is still a prototype where functions are still being improved on, especially the way information is being presented. I'll now give a walkthrough of the current progress that we have. From the home page, you can navigate to the Google Map function through this link below. From here, users can enter their unique donation tracking code that they're given in the search bar, and it will bring them to the location where their money has gone to. Now I'll enter my donation code in the search bar. As you can see, the map will pan itself to a new view and pinpoint where the money has gone to with a marker. On the left, there will also be a short write-up on this charity project where we can also input pictures. In addition to bringing users to their donation code and markers, we also allow users to go on an exploratory mode to learn more about the charity activities happening in the world. As we zoom out, you can see many markers in the map. Users can click on any markers to find out more about the projects. To make the map less messy, we have also included a filtering function. Users can double click on a marker and it will show all the markers that are from the same charity projects. As you can see, the markers over here and here have disappeared. These two projects are apparently related. This can be useful in areas where there are lots of charity work by different charity organizations. To view all the charity projects again, users can click on this button and it will show all the projects again. So now I'll pass the time to Ben, where he will share with you about the improved UI for our pair up and legit not function.
Thank you, Guanfei. So now I'll be talking more about our user interface for Legit Not as well as pair up. So let me start with Legit Not. So here on Legit Not, you can see that this is our new UI for our charity Legit Checker. And here you can have the name, the rating, which shows you the credibility of the charity organization, their display picture, as well as the description, which will show you the cause that they are supporting and any recent efforts that they have done to help the beneficiaries. So in the future, we are actually looking to add pictures as well as YouTube videos over here to better engage users when they're using Legit Not. So when you are using Legit Not, you will surf through the different charity organizations either using the pagination function found below, like so, or you can use the search function at the top to search for the specific charity organization that you wish to read more about. For instance, if you want to look for Shears, there you go. Here is Shears charity organization and their description. So now, let us move on to pair up. So here you can see the navigation bar. So let's go to pair up. So as you can see now, this is our improved UI for pair up. And it has a similar pagination function as well as a search function as Legit Not. So that's for surfing through the different job requests. And on each page, there is actually 3 job requests. In each job request, you can find the name, the job code, a button that will link to the charity information found in Legit Not, the display picture, job title, as well as job scope. So this hand over here is actually a button which you will click if you wish to sign up for this job request. For instance, if I'm interested in helping Kenrich Hall in being a sales. So I'll click on the hand here and it will bring me to the form where I will fill up to sign up for the application. So now I've finished talking about our pair up. So let's touch a bit more about our testing that we have done. So I'll use the search function in TrackLa as an example. So previously, Guanfei has actually shown you how to search for the impact of a donation using your unique donation code. So what if we enter a wrong donation code? So let me demonstrate. So as you can see, if I type fake, which is an invalid donation code and not registered in our system. So when I press search, it will come out with this error page telling you that you have written a wrong code, try again. So this error message will be consistent throughout our tree search function in all our three main components, and you'll be altered to the error message will be altered to suit the needs of each search function. For instance, for pairup they will say no job request, and for legit not they will say no such charity. Now we have come to our end of presentation. Thank you for listening and see you at Splashdown.